तो थर्ड टर्म में हम लेंगे बच्चों इसमें कॉन्सेंट्रेशन ऑफ सॉल्यूशन। यह परसेंटेज बाई मास। अभी इससे पहले हमने लिया था परसेंटेज बाई वॉल्यूम एंड ये है परसेंटेज बाई मास। इसमें आप देखेंगे percentage of by mass of a solution can be defined as the amount of solute in gram dissolved in 100 ग्राम of solution। इस सॉल्यूशन का जो मास है टोटल वो 100 ग्राम है। तो इसमें इट इज डिनोटेड बाय W/W, W/W से इसका सिंबल हम शो करेंगे। तो परसेंटेज बाई मास ऑफ ए सॉल्यूशन अगर हमें फाइंड आउट करना है तो मास ऑफ सॉल्यूट इन ग्राम डिवाइडेड बाई mass of solvent in gram। here mass of solvent in gram into 100। so formula you can take this percentage by mass of a solution is equal to W amount small w हमने कंसिडर किया अमाउंट ऑफ सॉल्यूट इन ग्राम और कैपिटल W है अमाउंट ऑफ सॉल्यूशन इन ग्राम इंटू 100। So suppose 10 gram of sugar is dissolved in 200 gram of solution, then find the percentage of a solution by mass। So small w given 10 and capital W given here 200 multiplied by 100। So here the total mass of a solution is 200। In that case we will not add that mass of solution is 200। total mass of solution is 200 means including sugar plus solvent। so here we can find out percentage by mass। now dear student, another very important term here we will take molarity। fourth is molarity। so molarity you have gone through this term in 11th class also। molarity ऑफ सोल्यूशन, मोलरिटी सॉल्यूट की नहीं होती, सॉल्वेंट की नहीं होती, मोलरिटी सॉल्यूशन की। मोलरिटी ऑफ सॉल्यूशन कैन बी डिफाइंड एज द नंबर ऑफ मोल ऑफ सॉल्यूट dissolved in 1 liter of solution। number of mole of solute dissolved in number of moles of a solute dissolved in 1 liter of solution। This is the it can be defined as the number of mole of solute dissolved in 1 liter of solution। This is the definition of molarity। now formula of molarity, its symbol is capital M। its symbol is capital M। so moles of solute divided by volume in liter। mole of solute that is M is equal to we can write number of mole upon V। molarity capital M, number of mole small n, and V is the volume in liter। volume in liter, if it is given in ml then we will change it in liter। so what is the unit of molarity here? mole per liter। mole per liter। so and how can you find out number of mole? you know n is equal to amount of solute in gram divided by molar mass। मोलर मास मीन्स 1 मोल में कितना मास होगा, मीन्स मोलर मास मीन्स उसका एटॉमिक मास या मॉलिक्यूलर मास। सो n इज इक्वल टू वी कैन राइट स्मॉल w बाई स्मॉल m। स्मॉल m वी कैन टेक हियर मोलर मास ऑफ सॉल्यूट। सो वी कैन राइट मोलरिटी इज इक्वल टू m इज इक्वल टू स्मॉल w small m into V। if V is in ml, V is in ml milliliter multiplied by 1000। this is the standard formula of to find out molarity. Molarity of a solution is equal to amount of solute in gram divided by molar mass of solute into volume of solution in milliliter ml into 1000. We can find out a numerical here. चलिए मोलरिटी पे एक सिंपल सा न्यूमेरिकल ले लेते हैं हम लोग. सपोज 4 ग्राम सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड इज गिवन. इट इज dissolved in 200 ml of water. Then find its molarity. 4 gram sodium hydroxide when dissolved in 200 ml of water, then find its molarity. So 200 ml water means total volume of solution will be 200 ml. So here small w, amount of solute is given 4 gram. Molar mass of sodium hydroxide, 1 sodium, 1 oxygen, 1 hydrogen, 23 plus 16 plus 1, that is 40. So it will be 40 gram per mole and volume will be 200 ml. So you can put the value in the formula of molarity, small w by small m into v into 1000, 4 by 40, 1000 by 200, and after simplifying we will get 1 by 2. So molarity here is 0.5 mole per liter. So in such a way we can find out molarity.